Hi friends, I was discussed the guidelines for the preparation of good research manuscript in my previous video part first, and in that video I was discussed about the what is research and their respective meaning of the research publication. Here I am discussing about the type of research publications in part 2. Please watch all my parts for research manuscript preparation. Turns to us the types of research publications. Already I have told you that the different types of research publications, just like short communication. So what is meant by short communications? Short communications are short papers that present original and significant materials for rapid dissemination. It found one single result up to 4 pages. So friends, here short communications, up till now you have been observed or you checked, but there is only single results are there. For example, here is I have given new findings, new report, or small piece of work. It focus on particular aspects of a problem. If suppose current scenario, there is a coronavirus. So this coronavirus is a new aspect for us as far as today's era or the current era is concerned. Their rapid dissemination from all over the world, it becomes a pandemic, and therefore so many researchers, especially by using the polymer chain reaction of PCR method or molecular characterization, what kind of sequencing are present in there, what structure it has with the help of electron microscope, and when such findings are going to be published, not in detail, in short form, what are their sequencing, what are their electron microscopic structure, and how they are going to be spreading. So such themes are going to be published in a short piece of work. Only single research should be required there, up to 4 pages. So that phenomena is called as short communications. Nowadays we are looking towards so many researchers, they are going to publish their paper a single page or 2 pages, and we can call it is my research full length papers. How it is possible, friends? Because that is a article, research article or full length papers, it should be more than 4 pages should be required. I am looking 1.5 page or 2 pages, that is considered for the full length paper. How it become a full length paper? There is only a single results are there, and now they are going to be called as the full length paper. So full length paper is different from the short communication. Here only the finding, here only single result should be there, up to 4 pages can consider. From 1 page to 2 page, 3 page or 4 pages. So such a 4 pages, up to 4 pages, when we are going to publish the single problem or such a new finding, just you can look towards any findings are available before that the publications. So that finding or report, first report, supposed to be first report from Maharashtra, first report from India, first report from so and so country, or first report from the world. So these are the different era, their different aspects are there. First report from Maharashtra, because nobody has done work previously in Maharashtra on their respective researcher. Then nobody such work has been done by Indian researcher, Indian mycologist or Indian plant pathologist has not worked yet now, or nobody has worked from whole world. So such a small piece of work, that is single result, can consider and then going to be published in a reputed journal. For example, in our India there is a, we can say it is a current science, then some of the journal Nature, then some of the journal from elsewhere, Springer. So these are the such journal when the publicity should be huge, not for Maharashtra level, not for Indian level. The publicity should be more. So such a phenomena, such small piece of work are going to be published all over the world. So such work is called as short communications. So friend, you said the short communication is small work, but it is a very significant. That is your notable, because no such work was done previously. So such phenomena I have given here, that is the new finding of the reports, or new some significant some new ideas, some experience has been done firstly. So such work whole world, so that time you can write new report of so and so work. So such publication is called as a short communication. I am showing my work later on. Small, I have taken that the snap, and I am showing that, and also I have given the site also. You can check, and then you can consider how we can call it a short communication. Second is research article or full length paper. Here already one page paper is not called as full length paper. 2 pages is not called as a research article or full length paper, because it should be required vast research should be required. More than one research should be required. Not only one finding should be considered for the research article or a full length paper. So that is why here I am giving some example. Full length articles is a much more thorough in depth study that could stand on its own. Depth studies should be required. Soil, what kind of soil should be required there, and you can compare the soil from back up to the white soil, the sandy loamy soils. So you can check it, that all. This is one result. Then just you can check the pH of soil. What the pH of soil of black soil, white soil, brown soil, or sandy or loamy soils. So this is second line. Then in this particular soil, what are the minerals are available from black, then other soils. So these are the different results should be required in that publication. So therefore such phenomenon or such article is called as a full length papers or full research article should be. So these are the major findings are reported and verified by the orthogonal techniques. Means just you can check it, either such work was done previously, some researcher, some worker, some contributors are work. So such a verification should be very neat, and you should quote yourself. Full length articles may include more than one reason, and there is usually a page limit higher than or more than that of 4. And about your finding should be more, your results should be more, and if the results should be more, so that time that results you are going to be give the supports in introduction as well as in the discussion level. In introduction, we are while you are using such type of the previous finding on the previous work, so that time your the length should be increasing, your full paper should be increasing, your pages should be increasing, and you have given the support of that the paper, and your finding should be become a correct manner. So this is very most important. And here no previous consultation or publication should be required, not considered, not submitted. So that is important thing, that is called a research article and full length paper. Now you will get an idea what the difference between short communication and research article or full length paper. We here only one research, only I am checking the soil, different soil from all over the world, specific idea have been selected, and only you are discussing about the soil. So that time there is one line, one research should be there. So that phenomenon is called as the short communication, when more than one research and their depth are more, their length are more. So such publication is called as a research article or full length paper publications. Then I am going to be third type of publications, because you are going to publish not only single short communication, not goes towards the full length paper publication, not goes for the review article, then not goes towards the book chapter. The various lines we have, then various lines while you are going to be compile, while you are going to be writing. So that time you will get an idea about the depth of research and where and in which journal you are going to be sent for publication. So this is the another type of publication that is called the research article. What is the research article? What is the review research article? Review articles are also called literature use, very most important friends, that is for you students, very most important aspects. While you are searching the papers related to your topic or your problem, those problems are not considered. So that time, while you are making your hypothesis, so these all hypotheses are going to become under the review of articles, and especially in the review of literature or literature use. And that is a secondary source. Taking such supports of different papers, copy it, and as it is, we are putting in our manuscript and going to publish. So such your publication come under the plagiarism, and you are going to be religious. So these are aspects we will discuss in detail later on. How you can compile the sentence, how we will take the sentence from other journal, and how we will make your language, and that is not be plagiarized article. That is the secondary sources. There is synthesize or analysis the research already characterize the current state of the research, and now taking support from previous work. Whatever the support will be taken from the previous work to the current work, so that the piece of work, that piece of writing is come under the review of literature. That is the generally summarize the current state of research on a given topic. It includes sections such as, while you are writing the review article, I will discuss later on one by one how to write and what steps will be taken on review. Okay, so there is a summary, means overall work, whatever the secondary and primary data you have been received, past researchers work you have been compiled, and then summarized and put your information as far as the current work is going on. Then the steps are in there the same as like full length paper. There is a summary, instead of summary there is a abstract. Now here the summary, the introduction, the methods or methodology or materials and methods should be there, the results should be there, as well as the discussion should be required. So such things and so on, that is the references, whatever the references are quoted in the text, so that it should be used in your bibliography or reference list. So this is the review article. I am also showing my work, how the review article are there in small piece, and also I am giving the citation of that review article. Example, survey type. This is the late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. So just you can write about the physiology, then their morphology, then their culture methods, their microphotographs for taking not from the late blight of potato, but also wherever the such a blight diseases are there and infected by the Phytophthora species. So you can compile it. Then you should check their morphological point of view, then their cultures, then their different spores, how the myceliums are there. Then you can check the growth rate, mycelial growth rate. So such this compilation comes together. Whatever the work was done by previously, you should quote that author's work, and this publication will be your review of literature. That is survey, the previously published research, that is already overview of current things article. There your original methodology, original finding are putting in this review articles, and no such new experimental results are going to be quoted. But as far as this taking these supports, so you should collect the secondary data as well as primary data, and you can compile it your current experimental views about the research article. So this is all about the research article. I will show my work about how the research article it was and what is their site. You can go to their sites and you can check it how it was written as review article, as well as short communication, as well as full length paper, as well as the research article. Then last is that is the book chapter. Book chapter, that is research book chapter, because books are different ways for our syllabus, as well as for BSc level, MSc level, as well as one aspect. So that books are different. But as far as the research book is there, journal, this is someone has to be called it is a one book, but it's not the book, because there is a number of editors are there. There is a supporting associate editors are there. One chief editor are there. So that is a journal. It's called journal because it is reviewed. is peer-reviewed by different reviewers, and that's why they are under the journal. But in book chapter, let us see now here, so many book chapter are there. There is some ideas, new ideas has been quoted by taking the support of references. Supposed to be sugarcane problems are there. In sugarcane problems from very early, from first step to the harvesting step, while you are checking that what activity are takes place as far as I am discussing about the diseases. So what is the diseases takes place in our area, supposed to be from Baramati area or that your region, you can search it from early plantlet condition to their harvesting, what kind of diseases are there. You should check it, you should analyze it, and just you can compile this all information by taking the supports of other previous worker, and you should write your ideas, write your lines, and then you can start for the writing from first day to the last harvesting. So it become a very piece of work, and that work while you are going to publish, so that come under the book chapter. You should take the given support of the previous finding also. That phenomena is called as the book chapter. Here I have already mentioned that is a book chapter use the information collected from published research and other related articles. It into the whole projects. Majority of the projects I have told you that sugarcane, a single page, not only 4 pages, not only 10 pages or 20 pages are there. So your work, the such a project is up to the 40 pages or up to the 50 pages, it will be extended. So this is phenomena is called as the related articles. It into the whole projects, whereas a journal article can usually stand alone. They not related for the journal, usually on one specific topic or a series. Already I have told the sugar topics with 1 or 2 authors or possibly editors. This is a book are having only 1 or 2 editors are there. They are keenly checking each and every topic very neatly, and thereafter they are going to come in the point. So yes, this is a book chapter is very important as far as science aspect, so it's going to be published. So recently in 2018 I have published my book chapter. I'm quoting in the next slides. It was published from Springer, from the Springer book line, and that author is Joginder Singh. He is a renowned personality in mycology and plant pathology. So I have written one book chapter based on Arbuscula mycorrhizal fungi, and which was published from Springer Nature Journal. So these all things should be kept in your mind and go for the different ways for either short communication or full length paper or review article or book chapter. So near about 10 to 12,000 up to 30 pages or up to 40 pages you will be extended that your book. The book chapter should be in accordance with the other chapters of the book, should not be duplicate material in other chapter. Means whatever the chapters are present in that book, so such same chapters should not be duplicate of the same aspect are be considered. So these all parts is very most important as far as the publication is concerned. So try to understand in which publication you are going to be published. First of all, you can check the journals of short communication publication journal 2.2. So that point, so this is not impact factor because this is their journals impact factor, because impact factor means whole words they are going to be cite their papers, they are referring their papers, and thereafter they automatically they are computerized and giving such a the impact factor. So you should decide that, or you can think that, so what kind of our research work is there, either short communication, either full length paper, either review of literature or book chapter, so go for publication. So this is all about the different parts of publication. Please watch my YouTube channel continuously. You will get the series of manuscript preparations. Thank you.